5 modern sales tips to help you make it rain sales coming up. So sales isn't what it used to be, right? It's changed, it's evolved to the modern day, right? Modern ways of selling are key to success. If you're still selling like the old days, you're not gonna see success. So let's break down 5 tips on modern sales to help you make it rain. Tip number 1 is to be a modern communicator. In the old days, you communicated by phone and email. That's changed. Phone and email may still be the way that the lead prefers to be communicated with, which is great if they do, but chances are they prefer to communicate differently now. Maybe a LinkedIn direct message, maybe a Facebook message, right? Maybe an Instagram direct message. Start thinking about the ways that your leads prefer to be communicated with. It might be a text message. So if you're a salesperson, find out how they like to communicate and communicate with them on the medium they prefer, whether it's phone, email, text, or social media message. That's going to get you ahead of the curve. If you're a modern communicator, they're going to assume that you have a modern product or service as well, and they're probably going to go with you. Tip number 2 is to be social. Make sure that you're following your leads on social media. If they're posting on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, engage with that content, like the content, leave comments, maybe share it if it adds value to your network. Engaging on social media is going to help them like you. And a key to sales is people like to do business with people that they like. So this is a great way to build some trust and build some value through social. Some other tips here, think about video conferencing. Putting a face to the name makes you human, right? Makes it more personal. Video conferencing, FaceTiming, you can even send video messages with direct messages on social media to get your face out there. This is going to put you ahead of the curve, make you look a little different and more personal than the other people they might be talking to. Tip number 3 is to understand that the number 1 thing your lead needs before they buy is trust. So before they buy from you, before they give you their credit card, you need to give them trust. They need to understand that you are a trustworthy person, product, and service. So don't be too salesy, right? Just add value. What can you do to help that prospect, whether they go with you or not? If you start there, you're going to build that trust and confidence, because people are skeptical today, right? The modern day person just feels like, I don't know if I'm going to trust this guy, right? When you first start talking to them or engaging with them on social media. So don't be salesy. Don't send a social message that's instantly trying to sell. Add value. Talk about how their content is valuable. Add more value to it. Build that trust and confidence, because that's key to success. Tip number 4 is to understand that the number 1 thing that a salesperson needs to be successful is confidence. You have to have confidence in your product, your service, and yourself. If there's even a sliver of doubt, you're going to fail. So find that confidence within you, understand your product, and understand that it can solve the prospect's problem. If you truly believe in the depths of your soul that your product or service and you can solve your prospect's problem, then it's your duty to sell it, right? Because the definition of selling is just convincing somebody to do something that's better for them. And if your product or service is better for them, you got to sell it. Tip number 5, last tip, is to ask for the business when the time is right. Don't ask too early. Once you feel that you've built some trust, and once you feel that you are confident that your product or service answers their problem and fixes their problems and is the solution that they're looking for, then it is your absolute duty to sell it, right? And so you need to ask for the business. Don't expect them just to give in and give you their credit card out of the kindness of their heart. You got to be a closer. The key to being a successful person is the ability to close. But don't close until you've built trust and you're confident your solution solves their problem. Then ask for the business. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some powerful tips on how you can be a more effective modern day salesperson and make it rain sales. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, leave more tips in the comments if you have some power tips for modern day sales. We'd love to see it. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.